Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. तो आज की वीडियो में I'm going to show you curtains and AC blankets, like all season blankets. So I have 3 options in curtain and they are so good. Like you guys will absolutely love it. अगर आप अपने नए घर में शिफ्ट हुए या you want to elevate your space, this is the video for you. Okay, and the AC blankets, since गर्मी आ रही है and गर्मी आ चुकी है and it's time to literally upgrade your bedding as well. So I have got curtains for you guys. I'm going to show you in the video. Stay tuned with me. And also जो bedding है it's gonna come tomorrow. I'll show you in the video as well. So without a further ado, let's get into the video and let me show you the curtains that I have got. Curtains के बाद I will show you guys the bedding. But चलो फटाफट unbox करते हैं. सबसे पहले I want to unbox this one. Looks so pretty. ये है from the brand Urban Space. I got it on Amazon and it is so good. Like it is. First of all, you guys look at that. I really love, if you are a person who love minimal home decor and you guys actually love, like, you know, colorful, but the curtain should be like plain and very airy. I think this is not airy. I think this is blackout. I'll just check it out. So yep, मैं भी पहली बारी इसको खोल के देख रही हूँ. लिखा तो था उसने blackout curtains, but I don't think so. It is purely blackout. I think it's a partially blackout. So you can see the border, very beautiful. And यहाँ पे ऐसे ring बनी हुई है. And here it is. I think it will be partially blackout. I don't think so it will be fully blackout, but I'll show you. Look at the design. It is so good. Very minimal, very chic, very classy. Look at that. I'm going to show you the other one. I'm going to show you this one. I think this is also 7. I think everything I got is 7 feet length में है cotton. You have till 9 feet, I think. 9 feet तक आपको मिल जाएगा easily. Okay, so this is how it looks. It is also again pom pom. Okay, let's open it fully. Oh wow, this is very lightweight, very nice. Look at that. Look at this. This is good, yaar. I mean, I'm liking the shade, the color. Beautiful. Look at that. Isn't it nice? I'm going to show you the third one. फिर हम लोग लगा के भी देखेंगे इसको. So this is the third one. This one I'm liking. I think I like the first one and this one more, I feel. So let's open this. मुझे ना बड़े कर्टन्स ना बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, लाइक कॉटन में, वेरी ब्रीदेबल. आई डोंट लाइक एनी अदर फैब्रिक इन कर्टन्स में. और एक ये सारे एक कर्टन्स 800 से लेकर 1000 रुपये के अंदर एक सिंगल पीस. एंड इट इज़ वर्थ बाइंग. आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइज, इट इज़ वर्थ बाइंग. Ooh, this is pretty. This is pretty. Look at that. Look at the print. This is beautiful. And also, it has the pom-pom. So I think I like it. I'm going to show you all 3 pieces. Which one do you like? For me, if you ask, I'm liking all 3 for different areas. तो मैं अब इसको properly लगा के दिखाऊंगी. And I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to show you guys कि कैसा कैसा लगने वाला है. मैं हर जगह नहीं लगा रही हूँ. I just got it to show you guys. तो यहाँ पे चलो लगाते हैं फटाफट. Let's go. इसकी लेंथ थोड़ी लंबी हो गई है मेरे इसके हिसाब से. थोड़ा सा नीचे से टेलर से अगर फोल्ड करवा दूंगी तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा सेट लगेगा, परफेक्ट. एंड ऑल्सो मेक श्योर जब भी आप कर्टन को साइजिंग करवा रहे हो कभी भी कट मत कराना, जस्ट ओनली फोल्ड इट. क्योंकि फोल्ड करने से क्या होगा, आई विल शो यू कि मैंने अपने पुराने कर्टन्स में कैसे करा हुआ है. तो दिस इज़ माई ओल्ड कर्टन और इस पे ना ये नीचे से मैंने फोल्ड करवाया है, बस लिटरली फोल्ड करवाया है, और ये जो लेस होती है ना ये वाली, उसको बस यहाँ पे लगवा दिया है। वाई? बिकॉज एक तो नीचे से अगर कर्टन हैवी होता है ना तो बहुत अच्छा फ्लो आता है उसका। सो नेवर कट योर कर्टन्स। इन केस कहीं आप दूसरी जगह में मूव करें या यू वांट टू अपग्रेड योर हाउस, अगर आपने कुछ भी करा तो इससे क्या होगा कि आप इसको फिर से ओपन करके वापस से लेंथ इसकी बड़ी कर सकते हो। सो नेवर कट योर कर्टन्स। दिस इज माई tip and a suggestion also, because I never cut my curtains. I only fold my curtains. So yeah, keep that in mind. Never cut your curtains. तो चलो मैं दिखाती हूँ, ये लग चुका है and let me show you how it looks. Okay, so this looks actually good. I think this is proper blackout curtains. Proper blackout curtain. Like, I would say like 90% blackout है ये. So चलो next वाला try करते हैं, इसको निकालते हैं. Let's try this one. I literally fell in love when I saw on Amazon, but I want to try it out and see. इसमें ना already pleats बनी हुई है, which is so good. Okay, so this one was too good यार. I mean too good. जिसको भी सर्टल कलर्स पसंद है, अपने घर को बहुत मिनिमल रखना, बहुत कलर्स पसंद नहीं है, एंड दे वांट टू कीप इट वेरी न्यूट्रल, वेरी मिनिमल, वेरी chic, I think this is the one. It is so beautiful yaar. I completely love it. It is again blackout, but it is like 90% blackout. I would not say it's 100% blackout because थोड़ा सा आप देख सकते हो यहाँ से लाइट आ रहा है. But this and the material is cotton and it's breathable and it's so nice. Like literally. तो चलो अब लगाते हैं तीसरा वाला. चलो फटाफट. Let me remove this. Especially the border that I fell in love with. Like this is good. Last one is ये वाला. तो चलो इसको लगाते हैं. I've got all the three curtains very subtle, very nice, very minimal, not very poppy color. I think that now it is like summer and you want, I know summer is of like full of color, but I think ये वाला भी एक साइड ट्राई करते हैं होम डेकोर का, कि थोड़ा सा मिनिमल टाइप का, बेज, न्यूट्रल मोड्स, आई थिंक अर्दी. सो yeah, so I thought to try that out. Okay, let's put this up. So finally, I have showed you 3 curtains and they look so good, like really good. Let me know in the comment section ki kaun sa wala you like the most amongst these 3. And definitely I'll give you the link of all 3 curtains in the description. You can go and check it out. So let's go check out the AC blanket, and it can be like all season blanket and it is cotton again. I have got another like, iska bhi maine 3 pieces liye hain. So let's go. Now it's time to show you the blankets, like all season blanket. Let me grab that for you. Okay, these are the 3 blankets and let me open it one by one. Let's open this first. भारी है सब कुछ. All right. one is this. इसको यहाँ रखते हैं. Second wala is something like this, greenish, and it is reversible. दोनों ही तरफ डिजाइन बनी हुई है, so you can use it either way or either way. And this is the third one. Okay. All right. ये दोनों बहुत सिमिलर क्यों लग रहा है मुझे? ये दोनों ही सेम लग रहा है, बट आई थिंक इसके पीछे का प्रिंट कुछ और है और इसके पीछे का प्रिंट कुछ और है. आई थिंक सो. यस, ये रहे टोटल 3 ब्लैंकेट्स. लेट्स अनबॉक्स देम. These are the 3 blankets and they are so good. Yeah. The quality and the material I'm really liking. Look at that. This too looks similar, but they are not similar. I'll show you. So let me show you guys. So this is the first one. So here is a green kind of print. Look at the print, and it is so soft, and it is really like all season long blanket, trust me, and it's gonna look so good on your bedding as well. Look at it, is reversible. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Like you can actually switch 2 designs in just one product. So this is a win-win situation. और ये बहुत महंगा भी नहीं है यार. This is very affordable and this is cotton. This is pure cotton, very breathable. और किसी को भी skin issues है ना, तो इससे तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होने वाली है कुछ भी. You are going to have lot of fun. इसी का similar one is this, but इसके पीछे का डिज़ाइन ना दूसरा है. So ये same है, but इसका जो reversible वाला है ना, that is bit different and very summery यार. Very summery, very. I don't have the words. The color combination, the fabric, everything is just perfect and you can actually upgrade your bedding now, like literally. So ये दोनों भले पीछे से similar होगा, but इसका front, I'll show you. इसका front बहुत ही अलग है, like you can see the difference now. And I'm going to show you the third one. थोड़ा मेरा हाथ दुख गया यार. इतना भारी नहीं है ये, but 3 दिखाते ना I'm like मैं थक गई. So this one I really like you can put in your kids room, or if not kids room, like adult can also use it, but it is that pretty. So ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है आगे से और इसका पीछे कुछ ऐसा है. And the softness यार, oh god, this is so good. Like बेड में लगाने तो सुंदर लगेगा. That I want to check it out. चलो उसको फटाफट बेड में लगाते हैं और देखते हैं कि बेडिंग कितनी अच्छी लगती है. बिकॉज आई नो कि अगर आपका बेड अच्छा लगता है ना, सब कुछ रूम की वाइब एक चेंज हो जाती है. दैट्स व्हाट आई रियली लाइक. सो येस, आई ऑलवेज फील लाइक कि बेड बहुत ही अच्छा होना चाहिए. बेडशीट थोड़ी सी लाइट सी होनी चाहिए, एंड देन पिलो थोड़ी सी कलर ऑफ पॉप. So I think I'll show you guys in some other video ki how to actually style your bed or your bedding or what product you should buy. So stay tuned for that. चलो इसको लगाते हैं. Oh, it actually turned out so good. Look at that. The color combination is so nice. And the fact that it is reversible, you can change the styling according to yourself. Like if you want like, you know, this kind of a print, you can change it. If you want the stripes, you can do that as well. But look at that. It is so good. Like I am loving my bedding already. So this is the full look of it. And it looks so good, yeah. I mean, I love it. Actually love it. It's so beautiful, peaceful, and very calming. Okay, so I have showed you this bedding. I mean, what do you say? Blanket. So I've showed you this blanket, and let me show you the other 2. Let's remove this and let's put the other ones. But I love the quality. I'm really loving the quality, especially when you're looking for the all season long blanket. Now it is very difficult to get in such a good quality, the print, everything. But Amazon has it. I went to the Amazon and I was like, I want to show something like very useful because the season is changing, and I think this is the best investment for your bedding. And since it's going to be hot and you're gonna use AC, so this is just perfect. So this is the other one that I'm gonna use it. So let's put that on. So this is how it turned out. Look at this. I love this one especially because the color combination is too good, yaar. I mean, look at this. Very summery, very beautiful. Look at it, yaar. It looks so good to me. So good and pretty. Okay, so I've showed you guys this one. Let's remove this and I'll show you the last one. That is also kind of similar, but it has a different print the other side. So let me show you that as well. Let's keep this and show you the other one. Okay, so this is the another one. It has like this print. So let me put it on and I'll just show you guys. This is the third piece. This also looks so good, yaar. I mean, I love all the three. I literally want to keep all of them because I want to keep it in different rooms. I want to keep it in my guest room, in my bedroom, in my baby's room. I think this all three is just perfect for home. The best thing is it is actually reversible. So you get like two different designs. So whenever you change the bed sheet, it's gonna give you the different styling and the look, and it's gonna look so good, I'm telling you guys, regardless of your bed sheet, कि आपके पास कौन सा bed sheet है. Okay guys, so I showed you all three this bedding comforter or blanket, whatever you wanna call it. I call it all season comforter or all season blanket. Like मैं ना भूल जा रही हूँ बार बार नाम, and like अरे यार. Okay, anyways, so for me, if I had to suggest, this are the perfect, like all season, perfect for your AC. And you know what, it's going to look very summery, very beautiful, very light. You will feel like your room has been like, you know, lighten up, or it's gone elevated, and you have that feeling. You like, I don't have the words to tell you guys, like if you keep your room fresh, refreshing, the new stuff, everything, the vibe changes, yaar. You feel like, yes, there is something to look forward to. Honestly, I feel if my room is very messy, chaotic, I feel like, oh God, this is not working out for me. So for me, I really want the bedding should look nice, the room should have its own fragrance, and it should smell good, and it has to have like proper setting, organized, everything. For me, I really love that. So I think you guys are looking to invest in such a good blanket. I would highly say just go for this. This is very cotton, breathable, skin friendly, and it's reversible, and you can actually use it. Koi bhi type ka bedsheet, it's gonna look good. So yeah, go check it out. I'll definitely give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. So bye bye. We'll see you on the next video. And yes, let me know which one do you like the most. Bye bye.